Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a dessert, the origin of which traces back to ancient Greece, later refined by Romans. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as cheesecake, cheesecake, cheese, cake, cheesecake. Cheesecake is often a centerpiece at special events like birthdays and weddings, but it's also enjoyed casually as a sweet treat after a meal or for dessert during any time of the day. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about cheesecake, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.